Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change the colour on your Twitter account. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So what we need to do first is open up a new internet browser. And then we want to come across to twitter.com. And if you haven't already, you just want to go ahead and log into your account. So you can see at the moment, for my account, I've actually got it in the default blue Twitter theme. You can see everything's in the blue colour. So to actually change this, what you want to do is come to the menu on the left hand side and then click onto More. And then we want to click onto Settings and Privacy. So this is going to take you to your settings page, and in this menu in the middle, what you want to do is come down and click onto this one which says Accessibility, Display and Languages. And then just go ahead and click onto Display. And you can see that down here you've got different colours you can choose from. At the moment there's currently 6 different colours. So you've got the default blue scheme, but you can change this to yellow. You've also got like a pink colour, purple, orange or green. And then once you've chosen the colour you want, there's no save button or anything. You just literally choose the colour you want and then click onto home. And you can see that's now changed the theme to orange from blue. So that's how you do it. I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.